I was never the type of person to stick with one thing for a long time. I always changed hobbies and was always interested in a lot of things. However, when I found magic, all of that changed. In this day and age, everyone is interconnected on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Discord, Reddit, and we often forget to stop for a moment and just focus on what's happening around us. When I perform magic, I want to make people escape their online lives and focus on something that will make them stop and think about what is actually possible, what is unique, what will make them laugh and ask themselves, what the hell just happened? I like performing for people, and it makes their day when I do perform. They're happy. They just saw something that they could not believe it would actually happen or could happen, and for me that makes all the difference. I practice every single day, and I love it. Hours and hours of practice. I always want to keep improving, keep learning, keep supporting magicians and artists that are starting out and who need a hand in some direction. I got support from the people that I looked up to, and that made all the difference for me. Besides the creativity from artists over many decades, the support of artists is a primary reason why our community has progressed this far. I hope to continue doing that as often as I can, and to keep bringing my audience out of their digital worlds and enjoy the moments here, watching magic, enjoying it. I mean, that's how I got started.